Hello, gamers. Alrighty. I have a plan for today. Easy peasy. It's just like, I know it's been like 19 days, nearly most of the month, and I still haven't done that. Shame on me, I know. But at the same time, I don't know, I feel like maybe I've played, but I just forgot. I don't know. I legitimately can't remember if I've played during the right hours. Whatever. Okay, so we got that guy. Now there's only one more bug we have left. It's the giant beetle. I did not actually mean to go in there. But now. Okay, anyway, let's continue on. So yesterday we did a lot of random stuff. We got a new thing from Gracie. Only one, but that's better than the 0 we've been getting lately. And I counted up all my money, so I know how much I have now. And now, Nookington's is open. Also, Donkey Kong Bonanza Goated. Great game. I'm like, done 2 worlds now, so far. Well, I was like, what is happening here? Higurashi, Cicada. I don't know if I was supposed to say cicada like that, but... Anyway. Okay, cool. So that's that. Now if we go here, again, there's 2 fish, 1 in each of the next months. And if we shift those over like that, then yeah, we still need 9. So... Right now, it's just the giant beetle, but he's 11 PM and on. So I don't know when I'm gonna do that. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, I wanted to get that, so I waited. Today it was just like, yeah, you know, focus on DK, and then I'll stream later. But if I stream it this time, maybe I can get the bug, and then I did, so that's pretty cool. And now here is Nookington's. Look at this beautiful department store. It's not really... yeah, kind of. Kind of. I don't know what you call it one, but get ready. Yeah, my man's got a suit on now. Honestly, crazy week. Like, we spiked on Tuesday, went up to 140, went down to 94, blah, blah, and now it's a 111 today. So it's only 7 bells cheaper. So, like, not a lot of loss. Anyways, so yeah, I think all these will be replaced with candy, so it's 5 candy a day. There's a signpost here. I guess we had a signpost before, maybe. Now we have paint. Paint's there. And now we have Timmy and Tommy. Classic. Haven't seen that in a while. And then, yeah, we have all this stuff. And now we have 5 shirts to buy. Hello? Are my eyes mistaken? Is that a garbage can? This is ridiculous. Are you telling me, like, I get the violin, and then I upgrade the store, and then I get the last thing I need? That's crazy talk. Also, no new shirts, but that's fine. Yeah, the garbage can interests me, alright. That's wild. That's like every regular furniture item? Should make a note of that. Crazy stuff. Yeah, I mean, according to my list, if the lists are right, I only need models. There's 6 models that you can reorder that I still need. And 5 of them are for Groundhog Day, and 1 is, like, coming up next month, I think. So, wow, that's crazy. So now I don't actually need to, like, look at any of this stuff, supposedly. Heck, that's a kitty table. That's, like, a lamp. That's a cabana lamp. A cabin lamp. Like, we don't... Yes, we're good. But yeah, they have the same options as Nook. Okay, so that's... So the shirt went up because of Gracie, not because of anything I just bought. But yeah, the whole reason I wanted to upgrade was for the shirts. Because I want to get all the summer shirts. If I really wanted to, I could, like, buy some of this stuff for extra tickets. Do I really need to? Like, if I'm trying to be, like, fast on time, there's not much point in buying this stuff. But this is pretty cheap. But, like, honestly, there's no need for me to do this whole, like, cheap thing, because I can buy 5 shirts. That's 6 tickets every day that are pretty cheap, right? 5 shirts and the umbrella. Done. Easy. Also, apparently we're at 81% now. So yeah, if everything's right on my spreadsheet, I have everything from Nooks now. Like, now I only need... I mean, can I, like, find the sheet where I do all this stuff? I literally grab every furniture item that doesn't have an asterisk next to it, right? The asterisk is like my way of denoting whether you can order it or not, which I picked up from the spreadsheet I took for New Horizons from some random guy. Ow. Okay, so remember, who's here tomorrow? Wendell's here tomorrow, right? Anyway, so yeah, I think... How do I do this again? Oh, okay. I think I remember what I did. Let me just count this. That is 103, and if I look at raffle, there's 66. Or sorry, red, there's 66. And then 240, 26, 12, 25, 103. Yeah. So I basically just took my raffle list of furniture and my red list of furniture. And then I was like, okay, get all this stuff that doesn't have an asterisk. So get all the regularly purchasable stuff, and then filter out the ones that aren't in those lists. And that's how we end up with the ones. So it should be accurate. So in theory, I shouldn't need to worry about anything at Nooks. I don't know that for sure until, like, obviously I'm closer. And there's still, like, you know, 150 furniture items left. But once we get closer. Okay, anyway, so I got the bug. I got the last furniture thing. First day at Nookington. I don't know what else you want from me. That's all I got. I will be here for turnips tomorrow. We're gonna have to shuffle the RNG, so like there's a good chance we could get a spike. I don't know. I'm always paranoid I'm not gonna get back-to-back spikes, but if you do that kind of thing, like, yeah, it's gonna happen. Anyway, yeah, so not a bad day, honestly. Can't really complain. Getting the last furniture thing after just getting another one, insane. Like, that's a huge thing done. Now I don't have to worry about that. And if we can get something from Wendell tomorrow, that'd be really sick. I'd be really happy about that. And then turnips, we just have to see how that goes. But yeah, okay, cool. I'm gonna get out of here now, and I'll be back at it tomorrow. Bye!